This example asks us to use shifts to graph the function f of x equals square root of x plus 3. Okay, so we don't want to just dive right into plotting points for this one. If you're in that habit, get out of that habit. Instead, we want to take this base function of f of x equals square root of x and then shift it using our shifts and translations and all that. So let's start with just graphing the square root of x. That's something we should have internalized, and it looks something like this. Right? If you don't know this, this is something you might want to stop and make sure you know. It goes like so. So the idea to these problems is you essentially have that memorized, right? It goes through 1, 1, so 1, 1, and 4, 2. There's the 2 points you need, and as long as you know the basic shape of the graph, you can get it going there. Now, what does the plus 3 do? Here are the rules for shifting, and it says right here that f of x plus k shifts up k units. This is assuming k is positive. So this is going to go 3 up. Okay, so we just take our graph that we just got done doing, and we take kind of these anchor points here. We have these 3 points that we know, and we shift each one of them up by 3. So 1, 2, 3. So 0, 0 now becomes 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And since we know the basic shape, we know what we're looking for here. There we go. The new graph is f of x equals square root of x plus 3. We just shifted up 3 units. So some people like to do this on the same set of axes. Some people like to draw a new set of axes for every different shift or translation. It's up to you how you do that. Let's try another one. Here we have g of x equals square root of the quantity x plus 3 minus 2. Okay, so let's refer back to our rules and see what happens here. Now we have the plus k inside. So here we go, plus k, so that's going to be left k units. So remember that when it's on the inside of the parentheses, or inside the function, like this is inside the square root, it's the opposite direction of the sign. So a plus 3 brings us 3 to the left. Okay, so this is 3 to the left. And then for the minus 2 outside, we have minus k. So we're looking at down k units. Okay, so this will be down 2. And let's do this one in green. Okay, so g of x is in green, so here we go. We just take our same anchor points here, and we're going to go left 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, left 3, 1, 2, 3, down 2. There we go. And then 4, 2, left 3, and down 2, something like this. Okay, so those 3 points should be enough to get the basic idea. We know the shape of the graph, so we use that, something like so. So this is g of x equals square root of x plus 3 minus 2.